Welcome back to Drive Future, and today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury adventure machines of the decade, the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome. A vehicle built for travelers who want the durability of Toyota, the comfort of a premium RV, and the freedom to explore without limits. From its bold exterior design to its redesigned living cabin loaded with smart technology, this new Toyota Motorhome has been engineered to deliver effortless long-distance touring, full-time living capability, and rugged off-road performance in a single package. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome stands out with its aerodynamic body lines, integrated LED light bar, panoramic front windshield, and reinforced composite shell that increases structural stability while keeping the weight optimized for fuel efficiency. Built on Toyota's latest heavy-duty global platform, it features an upgraded hybrid powertrain combining a 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor system that together produce impressive torque for towing, climbing, and off-road driving. Toyota claims a significant boost in fuel economy compared to previous generations, making this motorhome one of the most efficient in its class. The suspension has been tuned for all-terrain comfort, featuring adaptive dampers, increased ground clearance, and a smart terrain response system that automatically adjusts power delivery based on driving conditions. Moving inside, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome introduces a completely redesigned living space that feels like a modern apartment on wheels. The cabin is built using lightweight premium materials, warm LED ambient lighting, noise insulation upgrades, and wide-opening windows that flood the interior with natural light. Toyota's new Smart Cabin AI system monitors temperature, humidity, and energy usage, automatically adjusting climate settings and lighting to keep the living environment comfortable and energy efficient during long trips. The motorhome includes a luxury lounge area with a multifunction sofa set, a fold-out dining table, and a cinematic 55-inch 4K OLED TV mounted on a rotating frame so it can be viewed from the lounge or the bedroom area. The kitchen has been upgraded with solid surface countertops, induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and a smart water purification system designed for remote camping. Storage is abundant with overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and underseat modules designed to maximize interior space for long-term travel. The bathroom features a walk-in shower with a rainfall head, eco-flush toilet, heated flooring, and a ventilation system that keeps moisture under control, even on extended trips. The sleeping area offers a queen-size memory foam bed, reading lights, wireless charging pads, and a full window wall that offers sunrise or stargazing views depending on where you park for the night. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, starting with the dual digital cockpit up front, featuring a 15.6-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation designed specifically for RV-friendly routes, and Toyota's upgraded Safety Sense 4.0. This includes adaptive cruise control with trail mode calibration, lane centering assist for the extended body, 360-degree cameras, and advanced towing assistant that automates steering when maneuvering trailers. The motorhome also comes with satellite connectivity, Starlink-style internet support, and a new vehicle-to-home energy management function that allows the onboard solar roof system and lithium battery pack to power appliances for days without needing a generator. The solar roof has been expanded to cover nearly the entire top surface, generating enough energy to run essential devices and maintain cabin temperature. For campers who venture far from civilization, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome provides a 120-liter freshwater tank, 90-liter gray water tank, advanced insulation, and a high-efficiency climate control system able to handle extreme hot or cold environments. Toyota has also introduced exterior features including an automated retractable awning, LED perimeter lights, outdoor speakers, a slide-out kitchen option, and lockable exterior storage compartments designed for tools, gear, or adventure equipment. Driving the 2026 Toyota Motorhome feels surprisingly smooth for a vehicle of its size, as Toyota has put a strong emphasis on maneuverability, giving it an improved turning radius, enhanced steering feedback, and a quieter cabin even at highway speeds. The hybrid powertrain provides instant torque, making mountain climbs effortless and overtaking safer. Owners can also select from multiple drive modes, such as Eco, Comfort, tow, and off-road to tailor performance to any situation. Toyota's legendary reliability and ease of maintenance make this motorhome ideal for travelers planning long-distance journeys where service centers may be far apart. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the motorhome industry, combining luxury hotel comfort, smart home intelligence, and rugged adventure capability into one beautifully designed machine. Whether you're a full-time nomad, a family planning yearly adventures, or a couple looking to travel across continents, this motorhome brings everything you need to live, explore, and enjoy life on your own terms. So if you're ready to take your travel lifestyle to the next level, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is ready to take you anywhere your imagination leads. Thanks for watching Drive Future, and if you enjoyed this in-depth look at Toyota's newest innovation, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic vehicle reviews. Until the next video, keep exploring and keep driving the future.